Welcome. In 1 minute, I'll show how to link your Citibank account to an external bank. First, open the Citibank mobile app or go to citibank.com on your desktop. Sign in with your username and password, then complete two-factor authentication if prompted. From the dashboard, choose Pay and Transfer or Transfers on desktop to access linked accounts. Tap External Accounts or Manage External Accounts to begin linking. Select Add External Bank and choose either Manual Entry or Instant Connect. Enter the external bank name, routing number, and account number carefully, then continue. Pick Verification, Instant Verification with your external login or micro deposits for manual confirmation. Review the details, agree to terms, and submit the link request. If using micro deposits, check your external account in 1 to 2 business days and enter the deposit amounts. Once verified, you will see the external account listed. Set a nickname and review transfer limits for safety. That's it. Subscribe for more bite-sized banking tutorials and secure your accounts regularly.